Prepare chromatographic column, guard column, suppressor, and pipelines. Step E. Replace the original effluent with ultra-pure water. Turn on nitrogen gas. This step is to flush the pipeline and activate the suppressor. Remove the guard column and analysis column first. Then remove the suppressor. Then remove the power cable of suppressor. Connect the suppressor effluent in pipeline with the 6-way valve. When there is a liquid out for the effluent out, connect the pipeline from the effluent out to the cell in. After liquid flows out from the detector outlet, connect it to the suppressor reagent inlet. Then connection the reagent out to waste liquid pipeline. Set the pump flow rate 0.3毫升, mean, flush 30分钟, suppressor activation completed. Change the ultra-pure water to effluent, flush the side time 10分钟. Disconnect the pipeline between the 6-way valve and the suppressor effluent in, and connect the inlet of the guard column. After the liquid flows out of the outlet, connect the inlet of the chromatography column. After the liquid flows out of the chromatographic column outlet, connect it to the suppressor effluent in. Last thing, connect the power cable of the suppressor. Refer the column report to balance the instrument.